Apple is rumored to be holding a special event on September 12th to introduce the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Unlike its predecessor, which had a stainless steel frame, the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are rumored to have titanium frames. Every year, Apple has made it a tradition to release a new paint job that is only available on the iPhone Pro. For example, it released a speckled gold finish on the iPhone Pro last year. According to the outlet, the first color may be called Titan Gray to match the titanium chassis of the pair. It will also replace the standard gold iPhone color that has been available for years. On the other hand, the new special color for the iPhone 15 Pro is said to be a custom blue. The hue will replace the current deep purple of its predecessor, but there is no word on what the color will be called. This puts it in the same boat as the gray color. Space gray and silver were also mentioned as possible colors for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A render shows that this color will look like a matte gray on the glass panel and a lighter finish on the titanium frame. But it's important to note that this is not an official picture of the design, and it could still turn out differently. The vanilla Apple iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are expected to come in pink, yellow, green, black, and blue. There were also rumors that these would have frosted rear glass like the Pro models, but they are expected to use an aluminum frame instead of the more durable titanium. In terms of other features and specs, they are expected to have the same size and shape as the Pro models. Apple's A17 Bionic chipset is likely to power the iPhone 15 Pro, which will also have 6 or 8 GB of RAM and more storage space. The Pro Max is expected to have a new periscope camera, and both Pro models will have a new programmable action button. The Lightning port will be replaced by a USB-C port, and each color of iPhone will have a matching braided data cord. A recent leak says that the iPhone 15 Pro could use the Thunderbolt 3.0 or 4.0 standard to connect to other devices. It was said that the Cupertino company was planning a special event for September 12th, which will most likely be the release of the iPhone 15 series. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.